Hello, beautiful souls. I am Saraharyana, and this is a message, a transmission from the giants. And some of you may be thinking, giants, what are you talking about? And others of you may be like, yeah, the giants, they existed on this earth long ago. So this is a transmission, and it feels like right now there is, when we're in this pocket, we're in this transition as we prepare to enter the dimensional shift from 3D to 5D. There are interdimensional beings coming through that exist on Earth or in Earth that are assisting us right now. So this transmission came forward from the giants. And I recommend keeping an open heart, keeping an open mind, and feeling what comes through for you with this transmission. Let us begin. Greetings. We, the giants, as Earth humans call us, are interdimensional beings. We existed on Gaia long ago and reside in inner Earth now. There have been many depictions of our kind throughout the centuries on Earth, through your species, humani. However, the truth is that we all coexisted at one time on Earth together in harmony. We do not come to the surface of Earth now, for it is too dangerous, and there are some in your species that would want to hunt us and experiment with our genetics. We bring forth this transmission to bridge the gap of humanize awareness from heart to heart, from one species to another. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Saraharyana will now bring forth one of our songs of truth. When listening, feel our sorrow and pain, but also how the new is here. Feel the new beginnings within the energy and allow yourself to receive, to remember the truths that bloom within your heart now. And before I begin, there's a lot of heat coming in with this already, with the giants here. They have a very large amount of energy. So you may feel that you experience heat. You may feel vibrations. Again, be really open to what you're feeling. Placing, again, one hand on the heart and one hand on the belly. And this is one of their songs of truth. Yum, 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 hey, hey, ho, ho, ho. Hey, ho, ho, hey, hey, ho. Hum, hum, hey, hey, ho. Hey, hey, hi, hey, hey, ho. Hum, hum, hey, hey, hoi, hoi, ho. Hum, ma, yo, ho, ho. Now it feels like there's a weaving. That was the sorrow and pain, and now there's this weaving that's coming in of the new. And again, there's just so much heat here. Shio, oh, ho, hey, hey, ho, ho, ho. Hey, 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 ho, ho. Hey, 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 ho. Hey, hey, ho, 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 ho. Say, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, 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 yo. They're bringing forth a light language now. Ya ya sia toka dia shia. Ya ya na ya ta ta kia shio so sia so sia. Sio 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 sio. Ya ya yo. Ya 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 so koa shia so sio sio sio. Ya shia ya sio 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 sia shio. They're weaving energies, they're weaving vibrations in from the giants to humanity. Shioya, siya, yeah, shorro, shorro, sierra, sonium, shionio, torriama, shiorrono te corrono te Long, deep breath here, breathing in, really breathing in life force energy, breathing in their beautiful frequency, the codes, breathing this in deeply in through the nose, into every part of the vessel here, into every part of the vessel. Hold it, pause it, feel the love, feel this unity, connection, the weaving codes, and then exhale out. Breathing in again. Loving kindness from the giants. There's repair here. There's repair in the weaving codes. Repairing of what was done, of the elimination and violence also of the giants, and this bringing in now unity, the remembrance to humanity once again. So breathing this in, the remembrance of who we are, remembering. And we continue with our transmission. There are many timelines playing out as we speak. And we do not know if we will show ourselves again on your earthly surface. However, we sing our songs within the core of Gaia, and our vibrational frequency radiates out now. As many can vibrationally receive our songs. For those of you that will hear our songs while you are sleeping, daydreaming, or in meditation, there are activation codes that awaken within you. Remembrances that you may have been a giant yourself in a previous incarnation, or you are able to now hold our frequency codes of balance and freedom that radiates from your awakened hearts. There's a lot of emotion with that. Thank you for this connection. And I thank the giants for coming through. You may feel it with their light language that was coming through, the pain and the sorrow, and the hurt. I can feel the hurt. I can feel also within this the giant trees that once existed here that were taken down. There has been so much destruction and violence. However, they rise above this, and their remembrances, the communication comes forward for them. Let us remember and move forward. Let us not stay stuck. We are always changing, and change is for the better now. Change is for the better. And may this transmission and one of their songs bring peace within your energy and your heart. Blessings of love and light to all. Namaste.